This video will show the full workflow on the Sinterit Performance Set, from printing to post-processing, and how to work with multiple materials. We always recommend using an FFP2 mask and protective gloves when dealing with powder. Start by taking out the metal container with refreshed powder. Put the funnel on the bucket. Press Add New Print Job on the screen. We are using the Expert mode in this video. Choose a file to print. Unlock the lid and open the print chamber. Pour the powder into the feed bed. Press the powder in the feed bed with the trowel to remove air pockets. Clean the recoater guide bar and printing area edges with a brush. Wipe the pyrometer glass with an IPA wet wipe and dry it with a cotton cloth. Close the lid, press the reset button and start printing. Ready for post-processing? Turn on the Multi PHS and the light and open the cover. Unlock the lid on the printer and open it. Reposition the recoater and ready the I/O box. Put the I/O box inside the printing chamber and lift the print bed. Close the I/O box and move the cake to the Multi PHS worktop. Open the I/O box and remove the printouts. The next part can be messy. Put on protective gloves. Close the cover. Turn on the depowdering program and manually remove the unsintered powder. Drop the powder through the grid into the powder feeding screw. Clean the printed parts with dedicated powder tools. And move them into the Sandblaster SLS. Again, drop the powder into the sieving system. Clean the workspace with the vacuum hose and the PVC brush nozzle. This powder goes into powder feeding screw. It's then sifted and ready for refreshing. Change the nozzle and clean the printing chamber. Move the recoater to reach all areas. Change the nozzle as needed. Unlock the front door and open it. Then unlock the overflow bin. Take out the overflow bin and empty it into the Multi PHS. It's easier to do if you take out the grid. Put the overflow bin back in its drawer. Unlock it on the screen and then slide back. Close the printer. To refresh the recollected powder with the Multi PHS, add fresh powder to it. Check the recommended amount in print history. Measure it with a measuring cup and pour it into the powder chamber. Clear the workspace. Now back to the printouts. Change the hose connected to the vacuum. Plug in the Sandblaster hose. Turn on the Sandblaster on the Multi PHS panel and clean the printouts. Use the back panel nozzle as needed. The printed parts are done. Now you'll see how to use the external sifting program. It's useful if you don't want to go through the entire material change process on Multi PHS. We are using PBT powder in this example. Put the foldable tray on the worktop. Take out the cake using the I/O box and clean the printouts. Remove the powder container. Take out the sieve and clean it with the vacuum. Remove the 8 screws and take out the vibrating sieve. Clean all elements thoroughly. Put the vibrating sieve back and screw it on. Put an empty container in. And choose the sifting program. Pour the unsintered powder into the sieve. Measure the recommended amount of fresh powder and add it to the used powder. The powder is ready for the next print job, but remember to mix it thoroughly before pouring it into the printer. Remove the container and repeat the cleaning process on the sieve.